To unlock the touchpad, press the padlock key and hold for 3 seconds. The other keys will now be illuminated. If no keys are pressed after 30 seconds, the screen will automatically lock. The keys will only be operable when the touchpad is unlocked. Press the power key to turn the heat pump on. To adjust the desired pool temperature, press the plus or minus key to increase or decrease the temperature set point. The desired value will be stored and the display will return to the home screen. On the home screen, here you will see several icons and values. In the centre is your water inlet temperature. This is the current temperature of the water that is coming from the pool. Below this is your water outlet temperature. This is the temperature of the water that is leaving the heat pump and flowing back to the pool. When the heat pump has ramped up in heating mode and is receiving the correct volume of water, the outlet temperature will be 1 to 2 degrees higher than the inlet temperature. If this value is 3 or more degrees higher than the inlet value, some efficiency is being lost and we want to get the water flowing faster by cleaning our filter, adjusting the water bypass valve, or increasing the variable pump speed where applicable. At the top right of the screen is the real-time performance data. By default, you will see the current power consumption reading, which tells you how many kilowatts of electricity the heat pump is currently using. This will start at 0 and begin to increase once the heat pump is up and running. You can do this by holding the power and plus keys together for 5 seconds. At the top left of the screen, you will see the current operating mode, and there are 3 modes to select from: heating, cooling, and automatic mode. You can change the mode selection by pressing the padlock key when the screen is unlocked. For most pool applications, heating mode will be used. Automatic mode will switch the unit between heating and cooling modes to maintain a constant temperature. This is generally used for sensitive applications where it is critical that the water temperature is maintained at a constant value, for example, in a commercial aquaculture facility. Cooling mode is generally used for very warm climates where cooling is required instead of heating. At the bottom right of the screen, you will see the current performance or speed mode, and there are 3 settings to choose from: silent mode, smart mode, and turbo mode. Press the home key to alternate between these 3 modes. Silent mode has a heating capacity of between 20 and 60%. Smart mode has a heating capacity of between 20 to 100%. Turbo mode is only available for heating and has a capacity of up to 120%, giving you the maximum heating performance. Setting the clock. Please note the clock is in 24-hour time. To adjust the current time, press and hold the clock key for 5 seconds. The hours will start flashing. Press the plus and minus keys to adjust the hours. Press the clock key to move to the minutes. Press the plus and minus keys to adjust the minutes. Press the clock key to save the time. Setting run timers. To set daily run timers, press and hold the clock key for 10 seconds. The hours will start flashing and you will see a 1 symbol flashing at the bottom left of the display screen. The 1 symbol is for a run once on timer. This should be changed to a 1 with a clock symbol, which is a recurring daily on timer. You can do this by pressing the home key once. Now press the plus and minus keys to adjust the on hour. Press the clock key to move to the minutes. Press the plus and minus key to adjust the on minutes if desired. Press the clock key to save the on time. The hours will start flashing again and you'll now see a 0 symbol flashing at the bottom left of the display screen. This should be changed to a 0 with the clock symbol, which is a recurring daily off timer. You can do this again by pressing the home key once. Now press the plus and minus keys to adjust the off hour. Press the clock key to move to the minutes. Press the plus and minus keys to adjust the off minutes if desired. Press the clock key to save your run timer settings. On the home screen, you will now see a 1 and a 0 symbol along with the clock icon, which indicates that the timers will recur daily. If you have different symbols, you may have missed a step and you should readjust the run timers. Removing run timers. To remove the run timers, press and hold the clock key for 10 seconds. Once the 1 symbol begins to flash, use the home key to cycle through the timer options until there is no flashing symbols. Now use the clock key to move through the hours and minutes until the 0 icon begins to flash. Again, use the home key to cycle through the timer options until there is no symbol flashing. Use the clock key to move through the hours and minutes until the unit returns to the home screen. There should now be no icons displayed at the bottom left of the screen, indicating that the timers have now been successfully removed. Adjusting the water pump control setting. The Oasis Rapid Pro heat pump range has an onboard pump relay which can be connected to a compatible pool pump command device, such as a Sunlover heat junction controller or Oasis chlorinator via a heat junction cable. If your heat pump has been connected to one of these controllers, the water pump control setting needs to be activated, which will then automatically switch the pump on and off as required. To set the water pump control, press and hold both the home and plus keys for 5 seconds until P0 is displayed. Press the home key and the value will begin to flash. Use the plus or minus keys to adjust this value to 2. Press the home key again to save the setting. Press the power key to return to the home screen.